Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, they could be exchanging one of these
One of
pets.
these,
We're so close.
nah, he's got a rec game tomorrow. Yeah. He's just from there, you know.